What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Average Aaron's Auto Videos, and today we are back with the 2012 Prius. Why? Because the door handle armrest is imploding on itself on the driver's side. So we're going to take that off and we're going to show you a quick fix. But first we got to get the door panel off, and to do that we got to remove it. I'm going to show you what it looks like on this side, and then I'm going to jump to, I already got the door panel removed. Ta-da! So the first thing is you got a Phillips head screwdriver down in here. I need to clean that out. And then this piece right here, whoop, I'll only take a little plastic. I take a little screwdriver, pop it off. Gotta open the door handle a little bit. And then there's another one hiding in there. From there, it's just a bunch of clips all the way around. I started with the center, went right underneath in the bottom on this side. And I used a flathead screwdriver covered with a towel because you can get it in the first part. Now let me show you what it looks like with it off. All right, boom. So this is what it looks like off. And these little plastic clips just go right in here. That's it. So there's a couple of them, and I started on the bottom, removed them with a flathead screwdriver. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think there's 8th one there. And then this clip right here, you'll see it's just a slide over. From here, this piece here plugs into your windows up and down. And to remove this one, a little bit over here, has a little safety tab in the middle that you press down, and then you can pull it out. It's not going to show itself really easy. Don't pull on the wires. Always pull on the plastic piece. And I can't flip it, same life. So press down on that center piece, and then you pull right out. From there, on the bottom, in the light, you'll have this guy right here. Same deal. Press down in the center, then you'll be able to pull it out. And the last one are these cables. White always on top, and all it is it's hooked into the plastic piece right here. Just pop that off, and then the ball comes right out of the little latch where it sits. Same thing for the lock here with the green one. And now I'll show you what the door inside of the door panel looks like since I got it fixed up. All right, so here is the door panel. And this is the leather armrest that you can see it has these little really cheap plastic fittings to hold this piece in place all the way around. But this one popped and this one also broke. So you could actually push this piece up. Let me show you underneath. Push this leather, you can see the gap in there, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of weight, and this thing would push up a lot too. I'm not going to do it because I already taped it down, but so what I'm going to do is put a little weight here, get a good seal, mix some of this plastic adhesive, and then I've got a small form to hold a lot of it on there, so that'll hold this. I've just made it with some tape, and I'm going to reinforce some of these other structure points, and then just put the soundproofing back down on it. So hopefully that will give me my armrest back, remove the gap, and it'll look a lot nicer in there. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. All right, so as you can see, the mold doesn't have to be perfect, but that will definitely work in there. And this is, again, inside the door, so you're not really gonna see it. I don't know if I'm even gonna take that tape off. I think I'll just leave it there. But that should hold that piece in place. And then I've capped off some of these other pieces with the glue, and I put some along the inside there. Capped it off. So hopefully this will prevent the door panel from flexing in, and it'll keep it in place. It'll look nice and flush, just like it did when it's fresh from the factory. I'm hoping. But I'm almost out of battery life, and if this doesn't work, I'll just come back and redo it again in a different way. But hopefully you guys can do it at least this good, if not better. Hope this video helps you to fix your door panels. It should work on almost anything like this that has the cheap plastic parts in the interior. Before I go, I just want to show you the plugins for the lower door light. Looks like this. So when you push that clip down, that'll come right out of there. And then when you plug in for the windows and stuff, it'll come right out of there. And then for the hitches, you can just put the ball in on the top here and then run the string through here, and the plastic mounting just goes right into there. And the other one is right here on the bottom. All right, hope this helped, and please hit that like and subscribe button down below if it did. And Come and check out all the other videos that I got on the link. If you got a 2012 Prius, I'll be posting some other photos here shortly. Also got some ones on Rams and various other odds and ends. So hit those like buttons, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.